warming up in here. It was a pretty tall evergreen. Backyard, that's some type of a birch that's been hit hard. Right now it's melting, and they're not calling for any more freezing rain to speak of, thank goodness. This is the limb that caused some of the damage to our power lines. That line up there was pretty well all busted up, hanging down, and then one down that way, actually a power pole caught on fire. It's pretty, but damaging. Just talked to the neighbor and he still doesn't have power, so that stinks for them. Oh geez, that tree's damaged big time up there too. Front of the house, neighbor's evergreen tree. Well, like I said, right now the ice is melting. Neighbors across the street here did not lose power, but there's trees down big time over there. Yeah, look at this guy. It's a good thing we had that Bradford pear trimmed out, or we would be cutting that puppy dog up for firewood. Backyard at the neighbors. Been hearing trees come, or limbs come down back here pretty much all day yesterday. It's pretty, but very damaging.